Every light has a source. Beneath the stars lies the ancient, pervasive glow of the Big Bang itself. We call it the cosmic microwave background, or the CMB. It is the ultimate afterglow of creation, a frozen snapshot of the universe when it was just 380,000 years old. For decades, cosmologists believed this map was almost perfectly uniform, a smooth, predictable sea of heat with only microscopic ripples. But in the deep constellation of Eridanus, there is a massive, unsettling, and incredibly cold scar. We call it the cold spot. Spanning nearly 1 billion light-years across, it is a region where the temperature is significantly lower than the rest of the observable sky. By all standard laws of physics, this region simply should not exist. You should not find a hole this vast and this cold in the foundational fabric of reality. It is a physical impossibility that threatens to rewrite our entire understanding of the cosmic dawn. For years, we tried to dismiss it as a statistical fluke or a sensor error. But as we move through high-resolution 2026 data, that comfort has been permanently stripped away. New surveys reveal that the cold spot isn't just a void of matter, it is a point of impact. The hypothesis dominating the field of astroarchaeology today is the Multiverse Bruise. The theory states that our bubble universe physically slammed into another, entirely separate universe shortly after the Big Bang. Imagine two delicate soap bubbles drifting through the air. When they touch, they don't always pop. Sometimes they leave a flat, distorted, and pressurized surface at the point of contact. The CMB cold spot is that surface. It is the physical indentation left by the violent impact of an external reality that exists completely outside our own laws. This is the first hard evidence that our universe is not an isolated system. We are not a lonely island in the dark. We are part of a crowded, chaotic, and overlapping sea of multiple dimensions. We are looking at the literal fingerprints of another existence pressing into our own. What does it mean for a universe to be physically bruised? It means the laws of nature at the impact site might be fundamentally compromised. Data suggests that the constants of reality within the spot, gravity and the speed of light, might be slightly different from the rest of creation. We are finally beginning to see the walls of our container. It is a literal leak in the structure of our existence, a point where the influence of a foreign cosmos is bleeding into our own, potentially altering the very mechanics of space-time. We shouldn't just be looking for signals from other stars. We should be looking for the structural evidence of other universes pushing against our own. If our bubble was struck once, it can be struck again. We are scanning the horizon for new dents and the ghosts of other realities. We have spent millennia wondering if we were alone on this planet. We should have been wondering if our entire universe was alone in the dark. We are living in a cosmic demolition derby, and we have just found the first massive dent in our reality. The cold is coming in. We are finally starting to see the true shape of our universe, and the silence is over for us all now.